Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th video of my data science tutorial series in Python. In our previous video, we have seen how to make array slicing. So in this video, we will take a look at how to copy an array or a sub-array. So this can be done using a copy method. So a method called copy is there within the numpy library. So we can use that. So let's take a look. So we made an array named as x2. So it has these elements, then it has 3 rows and 4 columns, as you can see. So we'll take a column, and now we'll take a new array named x2 underscore copy. So we will take a sub array from x2 array, and we'll make a copy of it using the copy method. So let's take a look. So this line means, this part means that we will start from the first row and we'll take till the end, and then the second thing is column, so we will start from the second column and we'll go till the end. So what does it mean? So from x2 array we will start from the 0th row, that means 0 till the end. So we'll take all the rows, but we'll start from second column and we will go till the last column. So as you already know, the index starts from 0, so we will take all the rows, that means 0 to 0 1 2, and we will start from second column. So second column is 1 0 1 2, so second column is this one, so second to third column. So actually this should copy only this last 2 columns and all the rows. So as you can see, if we run this, if I print x2 underscore copy array, so it gives the last 2 column and all the rows. So we can also modify the copied array, but the main thing is that it will not change the actual array x2. So let's make some modifications. So in the 0 column and first row, we will change this element to 7. So let's see. So 0 row, that means this row, and first column means this is 0 row, and first column means 0 1. So that means this element, this 5 should be changed to 7, right? So here it is, as you can see, it's 5, so it should be changed to 7. Actually, as we are taking this array, so x2 from x2 underscore copy, this is the first row, and so this 7 should be changed. Actually, this 7 should be, if it give 5, so it should give us 5. So let's run this row. So yeah, now you can see that it was previously 7 and now it's 5. So it's from the first row and second column. So this is the first row and the second column. So this element was changed from 7 to 5. We can also repeat. So now from x2 underscore copy array, 1 and 1. So second row and second column. So this 13, here is 13. So if we change it to 20, so this should be, that row should show 8 and 20. So as you can see, this row is showing 8 and 20. So we have modified, but our x2 is not changed. x2 was previously 9, this one, 99527 768 13 1677, and also the same thing is also there. The x2 array is not changed, only the x2 underscore copy, the copy array we have made is in the copy method. Only this array has changed. I hope you understood. This is all from this video. So we will see reshaping arrays in our how to reshape arrays in our next video. So stay tuned to my channel to know more about data science and numpy arrays and other libraries like Honda. Thank you all for your time.